ఒక్కొక్కడిని కాదు షేర్ ఖాన్ 100 మంది.
Oh, send.
See his face and
Same like that, no? Oh, that imagination, no, it's done.
మీరు చెప్పింది తప్పైంది మహారాజా.
That logic has given actually.
భైరవి గెలుస్తాడని నాకు తెలుసు మహామంత్రి.
మరి ఈ విషాదం ఎందుకు మహారాజా?
why he
యువరానికి
said
నచ్చిన వాడే దొరికాడుగా. చూడండి తన మొహంలో ఆనందం ఎలా తొలికిసలాడుతోందో.
మీకు ఆనందం కనిపిస్తోంది.
Horoscope. That time told, no?
మొహంలో నాకు వైద్యం కనిపిస్తోంది.
oh
Starting told, no? In the flashback.
కాలభైరవ వంశంలో ప్రతి వాళ్ళు రాజ్యం కోసం ప్రాణాలు అర్పించిన వాళ్లే.
Oh,
30 ఏళ్ల నుంచి ఎవరు బ్రతకలేదు. షేర్ ఖాన్ తో యుద్ధంలో జరగబోయేది అదే. ఈ పెళ్లికి నేను ఒప్పుకుంటే జీవితాంతం నా కూతుర్ని విధవరాలుగా చూడాల్సిందే.
oh
రాజగురు చెప్పిన అరిష్టం ఇదే మహామంత్రి.
that's why I told, no? Starting. He told some horoscope thing. Because he is very much powerful, Sher Khan.
యువరాణి గౌరవాన్ని కాపాడావు. నీలాంటి వాడు పక్కనున్నంత వరకు నాకెలాంటి చింత ఉండదు.
అది నా ధర్మం. మీకోసం నా ప్రాణాలను అర్పిస్తాను.
రాజ్యం కోసం ప్రాణాలిచ్చే వీరుడివి. నీ ప్రేమను ఎదుర్కోలేవా? మహారాజా, మహారాజుగా కాదు, మిత్రవింద తండ్రిగా అర్పిస్తున్నాను.
She's very much happy actually.
oh
మిత్రవిందదేవి పరువు ఉదయఘట్ ప్రతిష్ట కాపాడడానికే పోటీకి దిగాను తప్ప వేరే అధికారం ఆశించి కాదు. నేను ఒక సైనికుడిని మాత్రమే.
oh
He's also like that. Here love story.
because father to ask, no, he's also a king.
Hmm.
విహారయాత్రకి ఏర్పాట్లు పూర్తయ్యాయి. రండమ్మా.
She's sensing him.
భైరవ రాలేదమ్మా. వచ్చాడు. భైరవ భైరవ
She can sense it actually.
భైరవ ఇక్కడ లేదమ్మా. యుద్ధ సన్నాహాల్లో ఉన్నాడు. భైరవ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. నాకు తెలుసు. భైరవ
Oh, he's there only. That
That's-
much love she has.
నిజమా గురుజీ?
అవును మహారాజా, మన రాజ్యానికి 40 కోసల దూరంలో భైరవ కోణం ఉంది. అది అతి శక్తివంతమైన కాలభైరవుని పుణ్యక్షేత్రం. అక్కడ నిష్ఠగా పూజలు చేస్తే ఈ అరిష్టాన్ని అరికట్టే అవకాశం ఉంది.
ఎంత శుభవార్త చెప్పారు.
ఈ అష్టగ్రహ కూటమి అంతమయ్యేలోగా ఈ వ్రతం పూర్తి కావాలి మహారాజా. అందుకే నేను ఇప్పుడే అక్కడికి వెళ్లి అభిషేకానికి ఏర్పాటు చేస్తాను. ఆయుష్మాన్ భవ, ఆయుష్మాన్ భవ.
భైరవ,
మహారాజా,
ఈ బాధ్యత నీదే.
చిత్తం.
యువరాణి వెంటనే
ప్రయాణానికి సిద్ధం అవ్వండి.
That land, like sand is like that, no? Showing.
White color sand. Think some enemies are.
And they are going for the puja, no?
Is it
Bhairava.
the place like they shown the first,
Bhairava
right?
Kona, Bhairava
Because that area, he was banging
In
something.
between
like that.
bridge also is there actually. See like that. Nice place, no? There only they have come for a puja.
ఆయుష్మాన్ భవ. ఈ సప్తవర్ణాలతో అభిషేకం చేస్తే కాలభైరవుని అనుగ్రహాన్ని పొందుతావు తల్లి. భైరవ,
గురుదేవా,
Its
ఆ
name also.
స్వామి హృదయం కదిలేలా ఢంకాలు మ్రోగించండి.
చిత్తం.
His name also Bhairava.
He's now a complete soldier. He has become. Because he has given the promise.
భైరవా నాకు కావాల్సింది ఈ పూజ కాదు. మనసు విప్పి నా మీదున్న ప్రేమని బయట పెట్టు. నాకు సమాధానం కావాలి భైరవా. నీ హృదయంలో నా ప్రేమ స్థానం ఏంటో నాకు తెలియాలి. చెప్పు, నిజం చెప్పు భైరవా.
He's not minding all
సమయం
these things.
మించిపోతుంది. పూజ మొదలు పెట్టనుకుంటేవా?
He's in full pain. She's throwing away?
Hmm. She's doing like a wall painting, no? No, like that.
Ah.
Hmm.
కర్తవ్యానికి తల వంచి మన ప్రేమని బలిస్తున్నావా భైరవా?
Hmm.
She got to know.
తప్పని వీరుడిగా నువ్వు చరిత్రలో మిగిలిపోవచ్చు, కానీ అందులో ప్రతి అక్షరం నా రక్తంతోనే కనిపిస్తుందని మర్చిపోకు.
Oh.
Oh. Something is coming, no?
What is bomb?
శివ శివ.
He's already dead. Almost.
ఏమైంది? రాజంతా వచ్చేసాడు భైరవా. షేర్ ఖాన్ చేతులు
Oh.
కొండ త్వరలు తెరిచి
Oh.
I was knowing that something is going to happen like this. That guy, no? Oh, he's killing everyone.
He joined with Sher Khan, no?
Oh.
మిత్రుడు నీకు దక్కదు ద్రోహి.
Oh.
చెప్పేశాడు. శివుడి కోసం తన సైన్యాన్ని వెంట పెట్టుకుని ఇక్కడికి
So since that time, this guy is like that. Along
Here
with,
also her
see,
dad.
Sher Khan itself is very strong.
Hmm. Like that time also he has killed her father.
Ah.
Now present also he has tried to kill. No, already killed, I think. He's dead, no?
He's dead.
Oh. They're talking more into Hindi, no?
Oh, they're talking more Hindi. Oh, that covering.
Ah, nicely.
Rain of arrows. But this guy has got that attitude in his face,
Nicely.
right?
Whoa.
యువరాణి
He's coming with that thing. What is it called?
Oh, with that only he hit it, no? Her father. By the
He was jumping to protect him, right?
మిత్రా, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రాజ్యం నాది.
First has to kill this guy.
ఇక నీ స్థానం ఇది.
oh,
రా.
oh, what ra?
శతధృ వంశం 100 మందిని చంపి గాని చావని వీరవంశం. మాన్ సింగ్, నువ్వు చెప్పిన చరిత్ర ఉత్త బుర్ర కథ అని ఇప్పుడే నిరూపిస్తా చూడు. ఏయ్ భైరవా, యువరాణిని వీడికిస్తానని మాటిచ్చా. దాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి వీడి ఒళ్ళో పెట్టి నా కాళ్ళకి సలాం కొట్టిపో. నిన్ను ప్రాణాలతో వదిలేస్తా.
నేను నీకు మాటిస్తున్నా షేర్ ఖాన్,
Oh,
Wow.
ఆ రాజద్రోహిని నాకు అప్పగించు. నిన్ను నీ సైన్యాన్ని ప్రాణాలతో వదిలేస్తా.
Mansingh.
He's a fan of him, I feel.
కుదరో హుమాయూన్.
He is a fan of that.
That is what.
ఉంటే నీ కథలో నిజం ఉంటే నా మనుషుల్ని 100 మందిని పంపిస్తా, దాని ఒంటి మీద చేయబడకుండా
100.
ఈ రాజ్యాన్ని ఆ రాణిని నీకే అప్పచెబుతా.
వెన్ను చూపుని వీరుల్ని ఎన్నుకుని మరి పంపించు.
వాళ్ళని చూస్తేనే నువ్వు సగం చస్తావురా.
ఎక్కువైనా పర్వాలేదు, లెక్క తక్కువ కాకుండా చూసుకో.
100లో
ఓ.
ఒక్కడిని నువ్వు ఓడిగట్టేరా.
ఒక్కొక్కడిని కాదు షేర్ ఖాన్, 100 మంది.
Oh, send.
Goosebumps moment.
ఈ పొగరు మాటల్లో కాదురా, చేతల్లో చూపించు. సైతాన్ కి ఫౌజే.
Oh, some other army is there. 100. Oh, this is the Satan. Satan, he told, no?
Satan.
Army of Satan.
వాడిని ప్రాణాలతో వదలని రాని, వాటి తల నరికి ఆ రక్తంతో కాలభైరవుడు కాళ్ళకి అభిషేకం చేయటం మీరు చూడాలి.
Oh, he's taking the.
How he's going to face this 100 men, right?
Oh. Oh. He's like a Kala Bhairava now.
Ah. Muted.
Oh.
Oh, because that is the bridge, right?
Ah. Oh.
Oh, exactly. See.
ఒక్కటి.
Oh, he's only counting. So this what the starting, no? Like counting scene was there.
Some 90 something like that.
He's throwing also, no? Bridge is there, no? That's again a logic.
అది
Oh, like a game, no?
That's what he also said, no? Game start.
23. ఏయ్ పిచ్చేసేమార్.
Oh, all over.
Ah.
29 रे मनुष्य की औलाद बाया से हमला करना पीठ भी.
సార్ 32.
32.
They are actually enjoying his.
And that too, this Mansingh is completely enjoying that character. Oh, godly feel.
See, his face and
Same like that, no?
he's feeling like that.
That godly feel, no?
Ah.
Oh. See how many people.
He's impressed.
He's impressed like that, no? Showing. He's coming forward
I
actually.
don't know what I wish you like. It's very nice. Oh, he's doing cheating. That is a cheating, right? Not dharma.
Oh, but he will not leave, no, like that.
He has
Hmm.
2 in 1.
Oh. That guy itself, that arrow guy was there.
Ah. Now he's doing like his. It's already wounded, right?
But still, he will fight because he has to save the princess, no? Duty. He is completely impressed, actually. That's what Dheera. That's what the song has come, no? Like a little bit of silence
Because he's not so powerful now.
with emotion. He's fighting now. Oh, he's crying actually. His eyes is like that.
Because that was actually a cheat. He's not ready to give up.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what.
Oh,
99
oh.
Because
Ah. It's all like a goosebumps tears actually. He's getting. He's that army lead, no? That army lead, he is done. 100 to 1.
done. Over.
Noor.
చాలా షేర్ ఖాన్ ఇంకా 100 మందిని పంపిస్తావా
Oh, another.
భైరవా ఇంతకాలం నా పేరు వింటే రాజ్యాన్ని అప్పగించి లొంగిపోయిన రాజుని నే కన్నెర్ర చేస్తే యుద్ధం చేయకుండానే పారిపోయిన సైన్యాన్ని చూశాను రా గుండె తెగుతున్నా లెక్క చేయకుండా శత్రువు గొంతు చీల్చిపోచాను అఖండ భారతదేశాన్ని గడగడలాడించిన ఈ బాద్షా నీ వీరత్వం
Oh,
Oh, goosebumps scene. Oh, now that guy is there now.
only that guy is there now.
ఇలాంటి వీరుడితో చేయి కలపడమే నా అదృష్టం ఆత్మలా మేరీ జాన్ ఈ షేర్ ఖాన్ దోస్తు మీదే మాటిచ్చావు షేర్ ఖాన్
Oh,
రాజ్యాన్ని
Promise.
నాకు అప్పగిస్తానని మాటిచ్చావు ఇచ్చిన మాట తప్పుతావా షేర్ ఖాన్ చెప్పు
promise. He's already given the promise to him, no? That's why. He can't, he is helpless.
ఆస్తన్నా భైరవా
He's wounded like anything.
Because Sher Khan can't do anything, no? Because like that, no,
He
warriors
has
will
given.
be. If they have given promise means they will not.
మిత్ర మగాడు వాడా నేనా ఆ?
Oh. Oh. He was taking that, but he already killed.
నాకు దక్కనిది ఎవరికి దక్కనివ్వను
Oh.
Oh,
That's what, no? He is like, if I am not getting, no one will get, no? Oh. Done. That's what he told, no? That blood will be giving to the Kala Bhairava.
he only had.
This what the scene, no? Starting shown.
కనీసం చెప్పలేను
Oh, unfulfilled love.
Sher Khan was telling. His love and his fight, everything.
He couldn't hold her.
ఓడిపోయిన నీ ప్రేమను గెలిపించుకోవటానికి చీకటి కడుపును తీర్చుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ
Wow.
He will come back. That's the thing.
But she didn't get the memory.
Stop here. It's flashback and no. Oof, what a scene
God.
actually.
It was like,
That fight scene, no, it's completely goosebumps actually. Because our story തുടങ്ങിയ ആ ഒരു kingdom കാണിച്ചിട്ട് like we are getting that complete vibe
see
of
that vibe of, that kingdom, that, how to
Characters.
war. And especially we are in love with the Sher Khan.
Yeah.
Right, because this is the first time I feel like in a movie that we are getting, because we have seen in so many movies, especially in Bahubali and all, like the people would be coming like they'll also will be like animals, right? But this guy is actually with ethics.
Yeah.
He's
yeah.
he's with all with ethics, because even with the that guy, what is his name? Ranadev Billa, because he's keeping his words.
Yes.
He is in a position that he can't do anything, but he is also like admitting that he's very brave. That is like Magadhira, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So he's very dheer and kind of he's admitting, and also like he has to get saved, but this guy is killing.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, he has given that promise also, Sher Khan, that he will be getting her to him. So that's what already he has given the promise.
Because
So
he didn't
can't-
know about
Yeah.
Kala Bhairava,
And again,
right?
that Mansingh, like his second character was there, no, Mansingh. He was already telling like praising him, no, like 100 people, he can kill anything. So he also wanted to see that how
Because
he is killing.
he is with the half energy.
Yeah.
Because he fought with mostly the end and all with the half energy only. That to see if he was very powerful, like if he had the armies, then what would happen?
yeah,
Definitely, he would be getting defeated. So that is what perfectly they have shown the scene. And also like he was in a position that he can't express his love to her, because of he has given promise to
King.
her father, and King already died. Even after also, like I don't know whether he would be joining hands with her, or because he has given a promise, right?
yeah,
Because
yeah.
olden times and all, like promise was
Promise.
having more value and
Yes.
all. So something unexpected, and what to say.
Actually, this all scenes, no, like it's complete goosebumps, and that we are loving with all the characters. If it is a villain, if it is a hero, like if it is good or bad, whatever it is, we are loving it because everyone is showing
Everyone is
maximum.
performing.
Yeah.
All are
Maximum.
performing, even though that villain character,
Ranadev Billa,
Ranadev Billa, like we are feeling like he's like living that particular character.
We want to kill him like that. We are getting
that's what we would
that
be
much hatred we are getting with this guy.
because those kind of words he's telling, right? He's like I don't know what kind of things he's talking and all, like we will be feeling to do like this, right? That kind of feel we are also getting. And when they put that silence, right, especially like he was
Muted,
killing, muted the please and all, that's so perfect, because that's an emotion conveying to us also.
Yeah.
Before that, there was a like goosebump scene, and after that it was like full emotional. So it was a roller coaster of multiple emotions, right?
And
particular.
that too, like Sher Khan was crying, no, that time we are also getting that tears because he's having that tears because of that goosebumps. He's also getting that goosebumps. Yeah.
Because single man is fighting.
Yeah.
See, he has come with
So
might
many.
be like 1,000.
Yeah,
we
He
don't
will be
know.
having-
Like
he has separate army. That's what he told, no, like that is a Satan army.
Satan
So
army.
he's already have other army, like they will be having like bow and arrow is there. So like so many armies are there.
So he is actually, that is the reason, like like he was unable to touch, even though after they both fall from that blaze, he was unable to hold her hand. So that is, they reborn to hold the hands, might be something like that, right?
Yeah. So that's why he like, and that too in front of God only he was telling that they have to reborn like that. He was telling, no. So
That
that's
is
why only I
what-
think the God grace
Ah.
they have born now.
Because the olden time villain died,
Mm.
but now this era villain is still alive.
Ah.
That is the thing.
Villain also has come, and this already Dira is there, and she also is, but she is not getting the memory, no?
She is not getting the memory. They both got the memory, but until she gets the memory, it would be so difficult for him to get her, because she's thinking that he killed him, right?
His father, her father.
Her father. That is the reason. So now there has to be some scene like she has to get that old memory and realize the things, and then something has to happen.
Yeah, in present time we are talking, no? In
That is
present,
what.
present father, he killed like that. She
Because
misunderstood also.
present father also
Old one, she already got to know that he only killed her.
that is what. പക്ഷേ ഈ ടൈമിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലൈക്ക് ഷീസ് തിങ്കിങ് ദാറ്റ് ഹി ഹാസ് കിൽഡ്, അതായത് രാംചരൺ ഹാസ് കിൽഡ് ഹർ ഫാദർ, അങ്ങനെയാണ് വിചാരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ എവറി ട്രൂത്ത് has to come out. എന്തായാലും നമുക്ക് കാണാം how they are going to showcase, because it's a mix of two eras, right? So അതിലും lots and lots of complications വരുന്ന കുറെ scenes ഉണ്ടാവും, especially for the director too, because നമുക്ക് അത് convincing ആണ്. So how he is going to convince us actually, ആ ഒരു particular period story ക്ക് ശേഷം, that's what I'm waiting for it. So we'll see another video.